Hi everybody, welcome back. Why am I wearing a tiara? Because I can, of course, for one. And two, if you missed my video last week, I'll pop that up here so you can go check that out, as well as leave it down below. Got a giveaway going on. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. But more importantly, why we're here today, it's Sephora Playtime. So if you're unfamiliar, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription service. They send you 5 beauty items per month. These are deluxe size sample items that you can find at Sephora stores. They also throw in a bonus item. Sometimes it's a perfume sample. Sometimes it's a foil packet of some kind. Again, it is $10 per month plus tax. So let's get into this. So when you open it up, of course, it always looks like this. We've got our little playbook in here, and this little pamphlet is going to give you your month's theme, as well as tips and tricks on how to use the products and sometimes different little fun things. And then it's also going to give you a list of all of the items that you did receive in your bag, how to use them, things like that. So this month's theme is Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. Now, on the front of your book here is going to be this little card. It's just a little paper card. This is your play pass. When you take this in with you to Sephora stores, and it can be an inside JCPenney, whatever purchase you make, no matter large or small, you will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points towards your account. So in here is going to be your little bag, and oh my god, it's so cute this month. It's the white canvas. It's got this cute little pink string, and it says hot, hot, hot. And that is so neonish. It reminds me of kind of little 80s-ish, so that is so cute. So we're just going to dump it out and see what we can see. So the first thing I'm pulling out, this is the perfume sample. This one comes to us from Replica. This one is Music Festival. Now, I'm not a big perfume fan at all, guys. I never am, but you know, we'll give it a fair shot. I'll give it a sniff. I think I smell patchouli. I don't like patchouli. This month's bonus, peace, love, and patchouli. Mission Marigella Replica Music Festival. Inspired by the iconic Woodstock Festival of 1969, the scent blends patchouli essence with cannabis and leather accord for an aroma that will rock your world. Next up I have this. This is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. Ooh. Ready, set, silk. Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Face Primer, a lightweight primer that blurs imperfections and reduces the look of pores. Next up, we have one of the Too Faced Melted Mattes, and this is in the shade Queen Bee. Endless Stunner. Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Long Wear Matte Lipstick in Queen Bee, a long-lasting, lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold, full color. Next up, this one is from Lancome, and this is the Defensel's Mascara, High Definition Mascara. Main attraction eyes. The Lancome Defensel's High Definition Mascara in Black. A defining mascara that provides natural looking lashes that stand out. I love this stuff. This is from Living Proof. This is the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Oh, the humidity. Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. A frizz taming styling cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing down hair. And last up here we have, this is from Clinique. This is the take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Clean like a dream. Clinique, take off the day makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. A gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating the skin. And so that's it. That is everything that came in my Play by Sephora this month. I have not tried this particular of the Clinique Take Off the Day, but I love the Take Off the Day balm. So I'll definitely have to give this a try for removing, you know, especially like when I'm wearing lashes and glue and stuff like that. I think that'll work out. Hopefully that will work out as well as the balm does. This stuff, oh my gosh, I love Living Proof, but Living Proof it's expensive. But this stuff is amazing, so I can't wait to put this to this on these hot, ridiculously humid days we have here. The Too Faced lip color, this is a me lip color. I'm never mad to get a lip color, not at all. The Defensel's mascara, I'm really kind of intrigued to try this out. The Hypnous Drama, I absolutely love. So we'll have to see if this is just as good. The Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer, I'm really excited to give this a try and see what this is really all about. But should I? Could this get me into trouble later? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And the replica weed patchouli perfume. It's definitely not for me, but somebody I'm sure will enjoy it, so I am going to pass this one along. And once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure that before you leave that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.